Let's discuss one of the core functionalities of our product, the duplicate check for spare parts. First, the user needs to navigate here and upload the file containing the material details and their attributes. These attributes may include manufacturer name, manufacturer part number, category, material description, and technical attributes. For example, we go here and upload the file. We select the duplicate checklist file and upload it. Once the file is uploaded, the user simply needs to click on the Run All button. When clicked, our AI agent works in the background, analyzing all the material details and comparing each material against the others to find duplicates. As shown here, our system has grouped duplicate items together and assigned group IDs to them. Now, if a user wants to review the presented information, they can go here and click on Review. After clicking Review, the system will provide recommendations to the user, indicating whether items are soft duplicates, hard duplicates, or non-duplicates. The user can further review this information. If they wish to change the criteria, for example, if they believe certain items should be classified as hard duplicates instead of non-duplicates, they can go here and select the parent item, with the related materials shown as subordinate or child materials. Once the information is reviewed, the user can submit it for approval. The first step is complete. The information has been reviewed and has now moved to the approval stage. The approver can review the details by navigating here and selecting the View button. This will display the information that was sent for review. From here, the approver can choose to approve or cancel the request. For this example, we will approve the request. Once approved, we return to the main section. The user responsible for handling duplicates will receive a notification indicating that action is required. To proceed, they can go here and select the Take Action button. There are 4 types of actions available based on the provided information. Since these are hard duplicates, we have a parent material and a child material. All bills of materials associated with both the parent and child materials are listed here, so the user can easily identify which bills of materials need to be updated to resolve the issues. Additionally, the user may want to see all open purchase orders and purchase requisitions related to the child materials. If needed, these can be canceled directly from this section. The information will then be sent to the ERP system, where the relevant purchase orders or requisitions will be canceled. To do this, simply navigate here, select Cancel, and then confirm by clicking Yes, Cancel Order. Once confirmed, the information is sent to the ERP and the order is canceled. The third action is transferring materials, which is essential when there is one parent material and several substitute child materials located in different warehouses or locations. If you want to consolidate them under a single umbrella, the system provides the required information. For example, it will indicate where the parent item is stored, such as in the main warehouse with a specific bin ID, and show where the child items are located. Based on this, if you wish to initiate the transfer stock workflow to merge the bins, you can do so directly from here. The approval workflow for transferring stock will also be triggered. Finally, there may be several contracts that include the child materials. And of course, you may want to know which contracts need to be updated in relation to the child materials. Our system will fetch the relevant information from the contracts, displaying both the contract numbers and contract IDs for your review. If you wish to update any of these contracts, you can do so directly. This process allows our system to not only identify the duplicate materials and groupings within your system, but also to recommend actions and help you complete the workflow for those actions. In addition, our system identifies soft duplicates, which are interchangeable parts. Once these soft duplicates are identified, reviewed, and approved, our system incorporates this information when performing demand forecasting, reorder point reviews, and identifying interplant transfer opportunities. This way, you receive a comprehensive view of your total forecast or reorder points, which includes not only the parent item but also the untouchable parts. Thank you.